Welcome, welcome again. This is Dr. Z with the Red Lipstick Brown Table Talk, and we are still on our 27 rules to success. And, these are teachable moments that have been out for you. Rule number 15. Rule number 15 says that successful people have good counselors, mentors, people that are doing great where people who they would like to trade spaces with. They have good counselors, people like attorneys and accountants and brokers that can help them to make great decisions in their business. Other successful people where they'd love to trade spaces with, knowledgeable friends and family, counselors, to help them clarify things in their mind. And of course, in the Bible, it says that a multitude of counselors is where there is wisdom. So, making sure that you're listening to the right people is always important. We have this platform, Facebook, TikTok. It's important that you're choosing the right people to listen to. And that's it, number 15.
Enter Skolman. Follow now.